Hello everyone, Miss AG here, and today we're going to go through how to draw a nose from the front view. How do you draw a nose from the front view? Sometimes it's hard to wrap your head around how to make something that is three-dimensional look three-dimensional when limited to two-dimensional techniques. Let's start by looking at how to draw in a simplified way. For my go-to style, I start by drawing a line slightly off center of where the bridge of the nose is. Since the bridge sticks out, putting it off to the side helps create the illusion of depth. Now draw a small line right under where the pinnacle of the nose tip would be. This helps give the nose shape. Next, the most arguably important part, draw in some curved lines to represent the bottom of the nostrils. As strange as it may seem, the nostrils are the most defining part of the nose from the front view. They create the most shadow and therefore the most dynamic visual clue of the nose. Finish the nose off by drawing 2 more lines to represent the rest of the shape. Nothing too difficult, right? But what if we want the nose to look more realistic rather than cartoony? In that case, let's start with the bottom of the nostrils. This time, instead of 2 curved lines, let's draw them in a more specific way, making sure they have a distinct hook shape. Next, we'll draw a small curved line for the bottom of the nose, followed by a peaked line for the top. Draw 2 curved lines to finish off the nostril shape, and add a line to denote the bridge of the nose. If you want, you can finish off by drawing a small curved line slightly off kilter in the same direction you drew the bridge of the nose. This will help represent the bulbous part of the nose better. Adding these details helps create a more realistic representation of the nose when drawing it. If you want to take it to the next level, you can add in some shading. Let's take a closer look. The shading is going to depend on your light source, but almost always there will be some under and around the nostrils. You can also add some on the side of the nose where you drew the lines to denote the bridge and the bulbous part. If you'd like to add even more values to your shading, make the shadows underneath the nostrils and the bottom of the nose even darker. And that's the basics of it. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!